They're wearing us down. Just another poem of the times, and it goes like this. Hey, you there? When are you going to stop talking and start doing the walk, king? You know, like getting things done instead of just passing along information to him? Yes, that's the manly tug who is always crossing the wiring so that he may know your plans and set up roadblocks for you on every hand while hiring. Didn't you know? Yes, secrets are the chiefest of his weapons business, but you never knew that one, Mr. Man. Clueless. You never knew what was coming along to strike you hard on the bam bam. What a bam bam. Ha 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 ha. No man, no more of those party sing-along songs, or we could be found flirting with the wrong. They're wearing us down. Yes, me clown. Well, not until he comes around and whacks you with his magic weapon, yes man. Hits after chart-topping hits coming at you from your number 1 station to hit you up against the number 2. I guess that was you. Yes? No. 'Twas the same weapon dome that he'd always depended on. But you didn't know that he had it in his right hand since you weren't paying proper attention to the one on the left side of his sham. Just there, blabbering along about what you understand or not. Didn't you hear what he was saying about the things he wanted to do in the act? No? Well, I know you a lot, I guess, but they're wearing us down. Yes, me clown. You'll never know what's on the other side of the rainbow, Rock. Not until his plans come tumbling down on you. Mr. Never Knew a Lot. Well, if you're allowed to survive the slaughtering, act, and get back in time to see me sneaking through the crack in the door, lock, to see them there, making it through to the Prosper. Only because you and I were amongst the chosen few who would have managed to slip under his weapon's bore to survive our man, Slaughter, via the shoot and coop of a truth, but they're wearing us down. Still standing up on top of your asker was the same one who was there waiting for the answer. Yes, Mr. Monster, whilst pressing his boots up against your throat collar. But alas, you were about to find out that it wasn't this that caused it, but that. Yes, designer jeans, my friend, sent in from Mount Haven. For your own misery and torment. Oh gosh, mister, they're wearing us down. But you're not allowed to think about anything at all, sir. Not when you're the sort who doesn't have a clue as a starter. Stir it well, man, before you swallow the snotball. Her. Meanwhile, I'll go over there and watch football, my star, if I'm allowed. Am I? Yes, sirree. Thank you, I agree. They're wearing us down. Against these rhyming verses from the far side of town where the curses are starting in our purses, my grandson. That's why this poet would have spoken the sound. Hey, turn up the sound, please. Thank you for these. And now the poet has spoken. Over to you to like, share, and comment. We sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe and follow us somewhere too. Thank you.